What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. Today's footwork move we're going to work on is called the knee four step. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply it today. Hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so for today's video, you will need to understand how to do your basic four steps. So if you don't know how to do that, be sure to check out my previous video I did on that before coming to this one. Alright, so for the knee four step, all I'm really doing is I'm putting my knees down on the first step and also the third step. So every odd count, okay? So instead of just sweeping around and landing on my back foot here, I'm actually going to use my right knee to land on the floor. So I'm just going to land on it here. Okay, so I'm trying to get to the back still because my next move, I still wanted to get to the second step, which is here, back here. Okay, so you will have to use a little bit of a strength with your right arm to help you pick up. So with my right leg, I'm still sweeping, but I'm just going to put my right knee down and lift this leg up. So here, from here, I'm pushing off this leg using this arm and also my second arm to help me up, and I'm going to get to step two over here. Again, you could have straight leg, bend leg here. Second thing you want to do for the knee is now this left leg, instead of just coming to the front, here, I'm actually going to put my knee down on my left here, and again, a little bit of a strength to get back to the fourth move where I'm going to use my left arm to hop up. Okay, so you want to think knee on the ones and the threes. So here we go. So with our right, going right knee, same step two for four, step two, left knee, knee, same step four. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so once you have that side down, let's try it going the other way. So same thing, I'm going to do this exact same four step, but instead of sweeping with my left leg and landing on my right, I'm going to land on this left knee. So sweep with my left, land my left knee. Here, from here, go to step two, four step. Now from here, since this right leg is back, I'm going to use my right knee to go down, and then from here, I'm going to hop onto this right foot to come out. So again, left knee. So left, two, right, up. Left, two, right, up. Alright, so now let's put this together with some counts. So just for the purposes of this video, all I'm going to do is each movement will be a whole count. So 1, 2, 3, 4 will be a whole way around. So we're going to do an 8 count going counterclockwise. As I switch from that switch, instead of just putting my right leg out, I'm going to land both feet. That way I can start going the other way. Okay, so 8 count one way, 8 count the other way. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, both feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's try that again. I'll turn in the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, both feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor, like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one, again, on your ones and your threes, that's when we're using our knees. So whatever foot is supposed to go next, that's the leg that you're going to go on the knee. So if you're going counterclockwise, this is right knee, up, left knee, up. If you're going clockwise, this is left knee, up, right knee, up. So I'd love to see you practicing and training hard, so go ahead and post up a video of yourself and make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong. I'll be sure to give you shout outs and props and good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel right now, and also comment down below what you liked about it, what you learned from it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.